Come on, how?
This is an amazing concert. I can't support
Sure.
Fadlan the young boy. A way forward, like improvement and flopses and a general assessment about this concert.
Sure.
So,
Charlie. You know, say Fadlan, I be talking already. You be young people. You see, whatever they do, not they say it makes sense. You see, that's why in concept or in projects, you know, go to flop. You understand? If you come here, you yourself, or if you like on the media, you will not say Charlie, the boy, he do magic, he do everything. When you don't want to say come, yes.
All right,
So thumbs up.
from Sapashini and our own nation, what should we expect from you? And like a show in sports stadium or whatsoever. And maybe can you promise us a show, an album, or anything for the fans?
I know you talk plenty, but as I come here, Fadlan, you message me, talk me, say super. You for come make you push your dream. So you guys, Charlie. Albums, you understand? Then big time projects.
So that is Sapashini for us. We are so grateful to have you.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, how?